YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Bam, back in the video, man. Not a reaction video, not a vlog, man. It's a gaming video, man. Listen, NCAA football 25, college football 25 has dropped literally Friday, right? And I haven't made a video for it yet. I'm finna make a video today. And listen, I've been playing for everything. I ain't gonna lie, everything's smooth. I love it. I love the game. It's real smooth. It's better than Madden. I ain't gonna lie, way better than Madden. But listen, one thing that I don't like about it. One thing that they need to add about it, hopefully next year, they need to add goddamn HBCUs in there. They need the swags, they need the MEACs, like they need all the HBCUs in there. Just give us a little section for it, bro. That's what I asked for. But man, listen, today I'm finna make it happen. I'm finna make it do what it do, man. I'm finna make it happen. We're gonna have HBCUs on Dynasty mode and everything, man. Listen, make sure you subscribe, man. I'm finna do no more talking, man. Listen, the team I'm picking today is not Jackson State, not Florida A&M, not North Carolina A&T, not Benedict, not Livingstone. Man, listen, we doing South Carolina State, man. I ain't finna do no more talking, man. Let's get to this video, man. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, man. It's gotta be man. That being said, man, we're getting into it. Alright, y'all boys. So first thing first, man, we're gonna get into this real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're finna go to import team builder. Shout out to EA for making the team builder came back again. Making it look better, bigger and better. We can do more stuff with it. Shout out to Preem, I think Preem or Prime, how you say it. Shout out to him. I'm gonna link his video in the description down below where I got the idea from. Shout out to him for doing that. You know what I'm saying? He really inspired me to make a video for this because I ain't gonna lie, I won at the same time I wasn't. But I said let's do it. Right now I'm about to pick a conference I want to be into. I ain't gonna lie, I want to play South Carolina, make the South Carolina low-key a rivalry. Like, goddamn. Like, I don't think it's gonna show up as a rivalry for them, but it might be rivalry for, like, you know, for whenever we play them. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna make that. So let me see what they got. They got Texas A&M, Vanderbilt, Texas, Tennessee, of course, Big Dog Tennessee, Mizzou, Missouri, Oklahoma, Ole Miss, South Carolina, of course, Mississippi State, LSU, Connecticut, Kentucky, Georgia, Alabama, Auburn, Arkansas, Florida for SEC. So I ain't gonna lie, I might just take out Arkansas. I get to play the rest of them. I ain't gonna lie, cause them right there some solid teams I can play against. So I already know we gonna blow out the water of Vanderbilt, so that's easy work right there. So if we play Vanderbilt, we blowing them out the water. So man, let's get them. I'm taking out them. Of course, SC State. Let's take them out. You see down there, South Carolina State Bulldogs. Look at the logo, bro. You can't tell me. I did this myself. I'm gonna show you how I look on everything. I'm gonna show you how I look on everything, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Me did this myself. If y'all want to use this, y'all can use this. Just type in my game tag. My game tag is Almighty J 2220 on Xbox and everything. So y'all get at me on that. If y'all want to see me in the field and everything, y'all see me on the stage, you can throw a little wages out there here and there. You can get it done. But y'all can see right now, I got the SC State Bulldogs, you know. I'm finna get to it. Pick them. Go back. Oh, I'm about to say where they at. Okay, there you go. Yeah, like I said, we go right here. Bulldogs, school. Of course, I'm gonna be a head coach. Get out of here, man. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I've been seeing people doing motivators and tacticians, but I look want to be a recruiter. I'm trying to recruit these folks in. I'm trying to talk to them boys, see what's up with y'all. Trying to get some more folks in so we can get this state championship. Get this national championship going on and everything. See, let's continue with this. So as y'all can see, I got a 3-year contract with the South Carolina State, SC State Bulldogs. The goal is to win 7 games. I ain't gonna lie, my goal is to go undefeated, but if I don't, I'm fine with that. It's alright. But as you can see, we're looking at old Arkansas Razorbacks. Overall, well not overall, but like winning and losing ranks right now. 04 is 5-6, 4-7, 10-4, 8-5, 5-7. Okay, 3-9, 2-10, 4-8. So the worst 2 seasons they had was back to back. And it was 2-10. Yikes! God damn. Let's go inside the contract. Put that pen in. We gonna set up recruiting and everything. See what we got going on. We gotta have 35 targets. Okay, let's see what we need. We need teams that we need right now. We need no quarterbacks. We need no running backs. We need a full. We need a left tackle. We need 3 left tackles. We need 3 left guards. We need a bunch of linemen. All right. Tackle. DB, safety. Okay, so let's go and get to work. How we looking? Our overall is like 88, 87, 89. Okay, we looking straight. Jafar is Bowden. I'm back here at 93 right now. Okay. Let's say first game jitters. Coach Bambino says early mistakes are expected, but the coaching staff is confident in the team ahead of this week's bowl opener. So you know we're playing home now. Let me show you how we looking. Look at that. SC State Bulldog versus FCS West Royals. Let's get to it, man. I think this might be a little blowout. The way they look like a 69 overall, but it might be a tough game. I see that. I wish we could have did like some different cleat styles, but bro, we just have to make it do what it do. I see the helmet. Y'all gonna see. Just wait till we start the game up. Just wait. Let's get into it.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. You can sense it through the pageantry, the tradition, the electricity that permeates this place as we get set for a terrific game. And we're all geared up. The anticipation running high. The ball is on the tee, and soon we'll put toe to leather on this season. Really disciplined job by the coverage unit to get down there and make the
not as good as a touchdown I needed, but you know, it's something.
For the first time today. And not only is
moxie about him, Reese, just seems like when he's in the huddle, he's got 10 other sets of eyeballs looking at him and believing in him to lead this offense down the field towards scoring points. This guy is a leader.
Almost threw a pick just now. That's all right. That's all right. Calm down. Making up for it.
Second down play. Give to the running back. Pass to takes him still on his feet. On third down, and more times than not, he is going to deliver.
He's so good, so efficient, such a good route runner, got the speed, got the complete game, so you definitely want to highlight him.
Taking that. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Excuse me. First down. That's all we needed. First drive of the season.
He was gone. No second guessing at all. That was
Touchdown.
He's got it, and he'll take it in for the touchdown. They're on the board first here in the season opener for a guy to make an impact.
Defense about to take over.
They put the leaders of this football team, and generally games go how these guys play. If they make plays, they've got a shot to win this one.
No doubt, they got to show up. These are the team leaders. These guys have
Come on, now we finna show up and show out.
Between the tackles, and he can also go outside. He can really do it all.
He's looking for a man on second down.
God damn. That boy got slammed to the ground just now. I ain't lying.
After a pickup of 5. Setting up for a first and 10 from the 26.
And you see so many smart wide receivers, so many smart tight ends nowadays that they know where the holes in their zones are, and they work with their quarterback, and they find them, and they sit down in them and make big plays. It's tough to sit back in zone against such smart players nowadays.
From the gun, they'll give it on the inside.
He's scared to throw the ball in the air. God.
This is where you make the money on the drive. Ball at the 30, it's third and short. From the gun, wants to pass.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Open runway ahead. Touchdown.
That's
And it'll dip into its bag of ball plays. That last drive really productive
too much, Reese. They had a great drive. They got the touchdown.
Move the chains, and he's got it at the 34. Line gets set, first down. He wants to throw.
Oh, nah.
Picked off.
Defensive backs have tough
Okay,
times. I mean,
that's alright.
DBs on the field, it's more speed, it's more guys that can cover, but they also got to cover that ground. But to cover the ground and make the pick, a lot of times you don't see that. Superb effort by that guy.
Defense in.
Defensive lineman, Palmer, running up the field, but it's almost like they knew what was coming and they shut that down quick.
Yeah, and so you're running the play.
Not getting that.
Disrupting the timing and getting a nice clean hit on the quarterback.
Getting some heat.
It's like they're not even blocking for.
First down, now here on second. Robinson looking to pass. Scrambling away. He's not afraid to go deep. And a deep shot.
Gotta be able to know how to run the ball and throw it on a technique.
Well, Reese, you and I were talking about this before the game. How is this?
This offense has a second down play. The handoff as they run the counter play here.
They've been outstanding in coverage early in this game. We're just in the first.
Oh, right through his
We got that ball back. We got that back.
In college football, and that's the reason why.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Make plays, try to tackle these elusive guys in the open field. And
Let's just throw them off a little bit.
Robinson looking to pass. Got it. And
Oh yeah.
and he intercepts it. Got some room to run.
To the house, to the crib, to the crib, to the crib.
For a touchdown.
That boy came in fierce, too devious.
Defense with the pick six.
how about the defender? Exactly.
Threw it straight to him. Money.
Makes the interception. Everybody on defense. We turn to offense. Go lay some blocks.
And send that defense right back out there to try to score again after the pick six. Here he comes with the return.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
There he goes.
Ain't no way he just did that just now.
He'll take it to the house. Touchdown Royal. But if they kicked it into the end zone, that he wouldn't dare bring it back.
Oh my god.
Dare them to tackle him, and nobody could. What an explosive return.
And those guys got so much speed, they ain't scared. And you could tell.
Pre-snap motion quarterback trying to get a read. He'll take another shot here.
Let's go. Good shit. Good shit, boy. Good shit, boy.
Because of that, the ball falls incomplete.
Looking to the end zone on 3rd and goal. Caught in the backfield, it's Avery. He's in for the touchdown.
Yeah, and now this offense building that lead. It's still the first half, but I'll tell you what, shown some glimpses of why they can become a really
Come on, bro. We better up to score. We trying to get 50 by the end of the game.
First down play. They'll come out on this drive and let it rip. Not much of a chance there. He just had to get rid of it to avoid the sack. After the incompletion, it's 2nd and 10 from their own 25. Off play action.
pass that quarterback. He really has to sell the fake. He can't tell his offensive lineman's getting beaten right away while he's selling the fake. He had no shot.
He ain't let him get no room or nothing. I ain't gonna lie.
Coming in.
Well, they got to pass the football, and they better protect their quarterback better than they are right now.
On the move, it's Avery. Oh, spins away.
So, Reese, with that drive, I think you've accomplished something you wanted to accomplish. Make this defense think. You put them back on their heels. Now,
That's the. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, this offense
Head top.
started the year all
Head top.
no breaks, and that's exactly what this game has shown. From the very opening whistle, this offense has been in
Oh my
sync.
god. The way he caught that angle, I thought he wasn't gonna catch that one. I'm not gonna catch it. I thought I wasn't gonna catch that. Look at that. Perfect.
Problems because of their playmaking
It fell right in time down. Keep running time down.
That time,
I'm gonna see what.
quarterback his eyes,
Yeah.
so they were on the same page. They both knew it was zone. They executed that perfectly.
The short hand.
I really could have picked it off, but I ain't choose not to. I just gave him a little, cause I knew he was gonna throw to him, so I just moved a little bit.
As they come to the line on 3rd and short from the 43, I wonder if they already know they'll go for it if they don't make it here. And they got him for the sack.
But listen, those are shots that we want to take because the risk is definitely worth it.
We're going for that.
And how about that alertness and that swarming D to keep him from getting the first down? On 4th down, they'll pass for it. Fires toward the end zone. And it's incomplete.
That's crazy. All right, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
First down for this offense.
Man, that is just a great job on defense there on 4th down, making a play on the ball in the air. Everybody had their eyes on the quarterback, but having great timing, swatting the ball away and doing it cleanly.
They'll try to get the
Come on, third pick of the game. Another pick six. Pick six. Pick six. Ah, that's all right. Third pick of the game. We setting the tone for the season. We setting the tone for the season.
Fewer are lucky if you have 2. They've got 3 DBs, 3 corners that can play at the same time in their nickel package that they feel can go mano-a-mano with anyone in the country. You saw it on that last play coming away with the pick.
Come on, Abdul.
Point of attack and find a little crease for your running back.
unloads to the wideout.
Touchdown.
Wide open downfield. Bounces into the end zone for a touchdown.
Telling you, we setting this tone for this season. We letting everybody who come against us know that we whooping ass. We whooping ass.
Brown cover to pick up the first. Here on 3rd down for this offense. They'll try to pick up the first through the air.
Oh, oh God, no. Oh God, no. Oh God, no. How is that possible?
Got it first and goal from the 6.
Ain't gonna try. Let's run. It's a run play. Let's run play. Run play. Run play. It's not. Get back. Get back.
Makes the catch. And the last thing you need to do is give up a cheapie. Unloads it downfield. It's complete. A huge pickup. On 3rd down, he'll try to pick it up through the air.
Oh God. Fuck.
Trying to take it back. And the defender
Damn.
is tackled, and that's
It's half. It's half. It's half. It's half. It's half though. It's alright.
We've played 2 quarters here. Time to go to Kevin Connors in our halftime update.
Guys, what a scene there in Muncie. What a fine performance we've seen. And it's been a battle of will. Let's go!
Off the play fake. Into the end zone. Makes the catch and gets the score.
Again, this offense has done whatever they want, however they want, and this lead has ballooned.
Defense trying to come up with a stop on 2nd and goal. See if they can get the edge on the
Ooh.
jet sweep.
Bro, we just needed one extra person right there on that edge. Bro, he was not scoring that.
With that last touchdown now, they're trying to create some momentum. They're trying to avoid starting the season 0-1. They know they've got a lot of work to do here in the second half, but
You gotta lock us up. Be trying to get that dub.
now you've got to keep that up.
What you were doing that built this lead, Paul.
Yeah, and defense, obviously, they won a few downs that last drive, so we got to put them on their heels here. Maybe mix up a few personnel groupings and try to show them some pictures they haven't seen.
Man down on the play as the officials take a break to let him be checked out. Now on 2nd down. Trying play action. He uncorks a laser deep down the middle. And he's got it inside the 20.
I love when you back the defense off.
DB's gotta step up and do something on the other team, bro. FC's gotta step up and do something with these DBs.
Here in the red zone with a chance to get some points.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Teddy, too easy. What it was, Cameron? Cameron made that shit look too easy, bro. Come on, Cam. Yeah. Come on, Cam. I'm talking about Cam.
This offense is doing what they want, how they want, when they want.
Bro, that jump was too easy just now. The way he just ran through that smoothly, we up at 70 on their head. Come on, Cam. That little spin out and then keep going. Oh! They gonna put this game in the news, bro. Look at that, 62-28, bro. Give it up. Forfeit the game.
After scoring the touchdown. He'll bring it back looking for help. And the returner will be... They'll run behind the big guys on the right.
Touchdown. Touchdown. Let's go. Another one.
The end zone for a touchdown.
That shit wanna. This shit too easy. Why is the clip sucking here?
Blocking up front, the offensive line, receivers, everybody doing their job, and that helped.
They'll have to convert 3rd and 4. He's got an open man. Afterburner's coming. He was...
Now, throw it right now so he can go make you a play. Great pitch, great catch.
He makes the connection. Great move there. He's off to the races. He's at the 10. And he slipped through the crowd and he'll house it. Touchdown Royals.
Yeah, nice pitch, nice catch. In the
Field goal range at the 29. Let's see if they can pick up a few or the first down on 3rd and long. A shot for the end zone. And give him another 6. Grabs him for a touchdown and the blowout continues.
points, and more points. This offense has had their way. They just keep their foot on the gas, keep putting up points, keep putting up touchdowns. And you know what? This is one of those stats days. You look back and you're like, that guy had 12 touchdowns in the year. Well, 4 or 5 of them might have been in this game.
And he knocks this one through, and that's been anything but easy for this getting a thing done on first down. It's 2nd and long from the 24. He's looking to throw. Unloads to the wideout. Makes the grab. They bring him down, but a solid pickup to put them in position to pick up a first down. Lining up to convert 3rd down. It'll be a draw. He's knocked down in the backfield. He'll lose a couple. And the Royals will punt it away on 4th down. Bringing it back, it's Avery. They'll bring him down. The clock is at 0, and that is how this one will wrap up. The old coaching cliche.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's the end of the game. We done whoop some tail.
Start to the season. That's what you want. You want to come out, find a way to win. Was it perfect?
Belt to ass to belt. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness.
And I think if you're the coaching staff of this winning team, you've got to like what you just.
I'm talking about we was just whipping them. Talking about some.
Tremendous effort on the field. Flying to the football, trying to make
Come on now.
necessary.
Too easy, bro.
They definitely made
They was like a 60 overall team, bro. And we just whooped them easily, bro. 80, bro. We could have put 100 up, but we didn't want to do that. Look at this, bro.
So that's going to do it for us.
Crazy.
Jesse Palmer, David Pollack, I'm Reese Davis saying so long. This has been another presentation of EA Sports College Football.
Crazy, bro. I think it's the interview, man. Listen, it's been a long game. I ain't gonna lie. 10-minute quarters, all 4 10-minute quarters, bro. Just hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's over here 12:13 at night, bro. I started this game at like 10 or 11 something, early 11 something. It's about to be 12:20 in a minute, bro. But listen, I'm about to do everything next video, man. Let me know if y'all like the video and everything. Let me know if y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like the video again. Comment if you want me to make this a series. Comment down below. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all stayed and watched the full video. I know it was long. I'm probably gonna dumb this down to like good. I don't know, whatever y'all see it, bro. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Hope y'all tuned into the next video, man. It's your boy Bambino. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all tell a friend, tell another 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 friend, man. Subscribe to the video, man. I'm out.